Welcome to my YouTube channel Practice English with Khalid. Our today topic is name of animals homes. So let's dive into the topic. Lion, Dan, elephant, desert, bear, cave or den, deer, grassland, hippopotamus, near river banks, cheetah, savanna or safari, monkey, trees, camel, desert, giraffe, savanna or safari, cow, cowshed, cattle, barn or cattle shed, horse, stable, donkey, stable, rabbit, burrow, hen, coop, ant, colony or ant hill, frog, near pond, lakes or vinarium, snake, burrow or snake hole, bees, beehives, dog, kennel, mouse, mouse hole, birds, nest, panda, bamboo forest, cat, cattery or basket, pig, pigsty, sheep or goat, pan, duck, water or pond, fish, water or aquarium, crocodile, pond, walrus, ice, owl, tree, penguin, ice, seal, ice, polar bear, ice, squirrel, gray, spider, web, fox, foxhole, pigeon, dovecote, hawk, mew, yak, hills. Thank you for watching. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.